My name is John Vorwaller. I work as a product manager in the sedimentation group. Well, I got a call from Scott Hawkins, one of our main sales reps, and he said, John, if you could figure out something to eliminate algae growth, make it safer to clean launders, lower maintenance costs, you'd have a great idea. We started taking apart the components of a traditional launder system, which contains 5 components: a launder, a weir, a scum baffle, density current baffle, and a launder cover, in order to get all 5 benefits. We said, let's combine that into one and make it more cost effective. Also, the installation cost is about half, maybe even 75% less than a standard 5-component design. Our first installation here was in Brevard County, Sykes Creek, and we stress tested the SEL against the standard traditional design, and the effluent was 1.6 milligram per liter. The standard design was 20. A significant difference. My call to action is to consider this design. It's a safe design. Operators don't have to get in these inboard launders that are suspended from the tank wall. And also with the installation savings, it significantly lowers the material cost, where you're almost getting this system with all 5 benefits of a 5-component traditional system at about the cost of a launder.